Cześć, witamy Was dzisiaj z Centrum Olimpijskiego. Jestem na konferencji Elastic Polska. Bardzo serdecznie Was zapraszam.
We'll talk with my special guest. Hello.
Hi, I'm Camille Corte-Giorgio and I am a Senior Manager of Customer Architecture at Elastic. I'm based in the UK and I run customer architecture for the UKI, so Iberia and Italy, and the emerging markets, so South Africa, Africa and the Middle East.
So I want to ask you about your presentation. Tell me a few words about your product, about your solution.
So the Elastic solution is a data platform, and it's a data platform that makes information accessible, and its specialty is search. So at Elastic, we layer on these different solutions. We layer on observability and security and search and AI, but ultimately it is an accessible data platform, and everything else is just layered on top.
Okay, tell me about AI in the Elastic.
So AI has a number of kind of purposes and serves a number of purposes within Elastic.
Right.
It's not a bolt-on, it's actually been built into the stack itself. So a number of our capabilities and features, and most recently things like Agent Builder and streams, they all incorporate AI, and we know that you can do all sorts, right? You've got generative AI and you've got augmented AI and lots of things, but actually with Elastic, what we want to do is have it baked into the ways of working, baked into the way that we search, baked into the functions and features of each of those solutions areas.
Okay, tell me about the buyer person. For what kind of client you prefer your product? Is the insurance, banking, what else? Because a few minutes ago I heard about Elasticsearch in the banking, that no SQL databases is better solution or SQL databases. For example, in the bank you have many solutions, many sources of data. Tell me about your client.
So we have clients from almost every industry and sector.
Okay.
So we have big banking customers, we have big e-commerce companies that use us. We work in the pharmaceutical sector, we work in healthcare and public sector, and I think that's because Elastic by design is a developer first tool. Okay. And now we're at a point, and I think your comment about SQL, no SQL, what we're looking at is the best way to bring data of different formats and different structures and different types together.
Okay.
So when I was a customer architect, and I manage a wonderful team of customer architects now who do this every day, we're talking to customers from all over the shop that have, in most cases, designed the platform from the ground up and built something that fits their use case. So let's take the banking example for a moment. Like, you have everything from mainframe through to Twitter monitoring.
Okay.
And actually, we have a big customer that brings in all of that. They bring in the mainframe stuff. They bring in the application logs. They bring in the service logs. They bring in the infrastructure logs and the API logs. They also bring in that sentiment data from Twitter. And all of that is observability. But I think we need to step away from which clients are better suited to Elastic and think about how Elastic would fit into the environment and infrastructure, because there's a place for it if it's not already there.
Okay, great. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Thank you for the meeting.
Thank you. It was fantastic to meet you, and thank you. I hope you enjoy the rest of the day.
Okay. Zapraszamy do szerowania naszego materiału i do zobaczenia.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.